This is absolutely the most beautiful one-take flight I've ever shot. Happening only once about every 5 to 8 years, Louisiana experienced a rare ice storm that coated literally everything in a few millimeters of ice. Battling miles of iced-up back dirt roads, just getting here on a two-wheeled vehicle was an adventure all in itself. The cold weather zapped the voltage out of the batteries almost immediately, causing the PID tune to be lackluster due to the fact the quad's flying under essentially low power mode. This made it shake, almost as if it was shivering in the cold. Combining that with stiff control inputs by the fact that my fingers were also frozen and shaking, GyroFlow basically was working overtime to stabilize this footage. The third ingredient to this difficult stew was when I put my goggles on, they fogged up immediately as well, and there was really nothing I could do about that. I was basically flying with cloudy vision the entire time. These three difficulties combined to make an almost heartbreaking moment when I crashed really early on my first pack. Luckily, the only damage was a chopped off whisker, but because I was using a Diversity Express LRS receiver, I was able to continue the flight and get this absolutely amazing no-cut one take, and with a $100 camera of all things.